Hey guys, my name is Alex and I'm a professional trader both within the Forex and the crypto markets. Now this mentorship package is pretty special because I'm going to be taking you from wherever you are right now, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate trader, to being that consistently profitable professional trader. You know, some guys are charging $120 for one lesson. I'm giving you unlimited lessons over a period of time, whether you pick the 3-week option or the 16-week option. You can see me once, 2, 3 times a week, whatever it is, it's up to you. Because we are going to be having one-on-one lessons. It's only going to be me with you. And in this time, we are going to teach you the strategy. We're going to back test it together, therefore master it together. And we're even going to do live trading together to really work on that psychological aspect of trading. Because trading isn't just an hour-long lesson and giving you a strategy. It's years and years of worth of experience, so you'll want to lean on mine. Heck, I'll even throw in my own personal indicator to help you learn. If you've got any questions, schedule in a free 15-minute meeting.